Welcome to Exam Sale. This short guide explains the syllabus for test prep. Section 3 Verbal Ability. You will get a clear roadmap of what to study and how much time to allocate. Overview first. The verbal ability section is split evenly between two domains, reading comprehension and critical reasoning, each carrying 50% of the weight. Both domains are marked hard, assessed through scenario-based items, and each has an estimated learning time hours of 45. Together they form the full verbal ability score, so balanced preparation across both halves is essential. Expect intensive practice that focuses on deep analysis and logical application rather than surface reading. Reading comprehension accounts for 50% of the section and focuses on analyzing written material to understand, interpret, and apply information and concepts to various contexts. Difficulty is hard, assessment type is scenario-based, and estimated learning time hours is 45, so plan sustained study. You will learn to identify the main idea and supporting details, determine the author's primary purpose, interpret words or phrases in context, analyze the logical structure and organization of a passage, and recognize style, tone, and perspective while distinguishing facts from opinions. You will also practice inference and application skills such as drawing inferences from passage content, identifying underlying assumptions, extrapolating to new scenarios, evaluating logical implications, analyzing relationships between parts of a passage, and judging the strength of evidence behind conclusions. Critical reasoning makes up the other 50% and focuses on evaluating arguments, formulating plans of action, and applying logical reasoning to reach sound conclusions. This domain is also hard, assessed through scenario-based tasks, with an estimated learning time hours of 45, so expect similar study intensity as reading comprehension. You will practice argument construction and analysis by identifying core conclusions, recognizing supporting premises and evidence, spotting unstated assumptions, and analyzing the relationship between claims and evidence to understand the argument's logical structure. You will also develop evaluation and plan formulation skills such as identifying information that strengthens or weakens an argument, detecting logical flaws and fallacies, evaluating the effectiveness of proposed plans, selecting proper conclusions from given premises, recognizing reasoning patterns across arguments, and choosing evidence that resolves paradoxes or discrepancies. In conclusion, allocate about 45 hours to each domain and treat both as equally important since each carries 50% weight. Focus on scenario-based practice that drills passage analysis, inference, argument evaluation, and plan selection, and track progress by timing practice sets and reviewing mistakes carefully. With steady work on these core topics you will build the comprehension and reasoning skills required to perform well on test prep. Section 3 Verbal Ability.